Hi, in this recording I'd like to talk about the rhythm in Mojo by Rob Grice for the snare and bass drum, percussion 1. Start right at the beginning. At the beginning for the first few bars, just careful the rests. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This half rest here is 2 beats. This half rest here is 2 beats, but then they put a quarter rest on beat 2, so just be careful. So in that bar you have more rests. 1, 2, 3, 4. Careful of those rests. So the first 3 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The rest of it is all quarter and eighth notes, and there are no rests at all. You just literally play from the start to the end. And so let's just pick a section of this to talk about. Here is bar 35, 34, 33, 32. And bar 32 here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and so just be careful. The eighth notes just go on and on in the snare drum part. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and so please just be careful about how you count through that. Let's do one section here where it repeats itself. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so notice I'm doing bar 44 at the snare drum part. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now there are some markings in here, so watch them. But there are some markings in here. I'm going to circle them. Those are accents. It means to play the note with a little more force. So it might sound more like this if you were counting it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so don't play the notes too loud in general, and then when their accent comes, just hit it a tiny bit harder. But you don't have to kill it. You will be heard. Hi, in this video I'd like to talk about playing the snare drum, bass drum part for Mojo by Rob Grice, and so I'm looking at the music here. Previous in this video, you just watch the music and you see it. Open it up and in your own browser or looking at your own music, follow along. Here we go. So Mojo, first 3 or 4 bars, 3 bars has those rests that I talked about. So make sure you count those. 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to go to bar 32 again, 35, 34, 33, 32, and I'm going to start there and make sure you're counting through these rests, or these eighth notes properly. Now, there are accents in there, and I want to talk about those. They look like little alligator marks or something, little backwards V's, sideways V's or something. I'm going to play those same bars again, and I'm going to try to add the accents properly. Hope I can do it. Here we go. So, and again, you don't have to play those too loud to have them sound out throughout the whole band. All right, so that's basically Mojo.